It starts with your customer dropping off their vehicle for a basic service, or perhaps a vehicle complaint like a brake noise. You create a Manager SE estimate to address this. Now, as with all vehicles that pass through your shop, you're going to make sure any other issues are documented properly during service visits using Manager SE inspections. In Workshop View, service advisors can see the status of all estimates and repair orders currently seen on their Manager SE Work in Progress screen. The MPI process begins when the service advisor selects an existing estimate that requires an inspection and assigning it to an available technician. This will appear on the technician's tablet or phone. The technician's tablet or phone displays Workshop View as their to-do list. With the inspection opened, you'll see the group's items list on the left side. Tap on a group heading to display the items within. The tech begins the inspection noting only MPI items requiring attention. The rest of the MPI items can be defaulted to green as explained in the Completing an Inspection video clip. This tech identified 3 inspection items with issues to report. We'll borrow some photos from the image gallery. Technicians type or narrate comments or select stored comments from a drop-down list. These stored comments can be set to automatically select the red or yellow item status based on conditions or measurements. Photos or videos always support inspection findings. Photo tools allow the tech to edit images. Please note that in addition to working through the groups list, techs may also use a search function to find items by typing or speaking component names or even symptoms and conditions. Once all items are recorded, the tech will tap on Complete Inspection. A confirmation message displays about sending results to Manager. Click on OK. In Workshop View, the service advisor can see the MPI status has changed to Inspected. A pop-up message with the vehicle license plate will also confirm this MPI is ready for pricing now. When the service advisor switches to Manager SE, the MPI items are already there and ready for pricing as jobs, using all of their familiar Manager SE tools. The estimate now has job view containers automatically created for each inspection item that requires attention. The beauty of this workflow is efficiency. No time is wasted trying to create jobs from the MPI, and no misinterpreting the tech's findings. Everyone in this shop is working with the same inspection language. I'm using Quick Menu Can Jobs as the fastest way to get job details and pricing done. Use your estimator to add labor and parts catalogs for application-specific items as needed. Once all jobs are priced, this will be indicated in the Workshop View in the browser. Having just priced the jobs in Manager SE, the Service Advisor moves to the Authorization tab. Now it's time to choose SMS or email, and this is about meeting customers where they are, honoring their preference. Both will deliver a link to share the MPI results with them. Next, click on Confirm. Now the advisor clicks on Send Link. Manager SE Inspections will confirm the send was successful. Whether by text or email, the vehicle owner receives a link to review inspection items and supporting media to approve the work they want performed. They'll likely approve red status items while deferring any yellow status items for a future service visit. Total price updates as approved items are added to the cart. When this review is completed, the customer clicks Authorize, and a summary displays a total for the work they authorized. This includes any existing work on the estimate prior to the inspection. Customer taps Confirm Order. An inspection complete confirmation message will display. This remote authorization process conveys professionalism, and customers feel empowered. The order line is now highlighted in green with a status of priced. The service advisor also receives an email this customer has responded. The advisor goes to the Authorization tab, listing authorized and declined items. This provides one more chance to sell any work declined. They select Authorize Inspection, which signals work may proceed on approved jobs in the Manager SE estimate. The order line status is updated to Authorized. Looking at this estimate in Manager SE, job containers for MPI items now include note lines to confirm which jobs have been authorized. Any jobs that were deferred can quickly be moved to the revision screen. From here, it's business as usual with a few amazing differences. Inspection items found needing work are automatically turned into job view containers in your estimates. This new workflow means shops don't have to build jobs from scratch, and it prevents any misinterpretation of inspection results. Your customer authorizes work through secure remote access, making them feel empowered. Your shop exceeds customer expectations while increasing your shop RO value significantly. Manage your SC inspections from Mitchell 1.